Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how you can use the Kapwing to remove some filler words in a video. Kapwing has a free version and a paid version. I think this is only an option which is working in the normal paid version. It's not in the business version, but in the paid version, which is around, I think, $200 per year, something like that. So here we are in the video editor. I have added a video track here. And so what we have to do is to go to the transcript. You can see that here. And so we have to choose the video here. That's the one here. So it takes a little bit of time till we have all the words. Of course, it counts towards the 300 minutes which you have, so you can't do that endlessly, even when you have the paid subscription. That's a little bit sad thing. I was hoping that they would add such a function limitless, like the smart cut, which we have to cut out silent parts. And so here we have the text. You can see that here, and I definitely have done some mistakes. So let's see how easily we can remove them here with this smart tool. So we click on cut filler words. Now it's removing these words or trying to remove these words. And so it looks like it's coming towards an end. The length of the video was around 7-8 minutes. And so you can see it has done some cutting, but not many. I would say around maybe 10 cuts or so. I'm pretty sure that I've made more mistakes than that. So here we have an area where we have a couple of cuts. You can also see that we have this filler word here. We can also click here, by the way. If you're not aware of that, you can also click over here and then see if it has removed this filler word. Attach the original. Also for traveling, and of course when you attach the or maybe this one here. Let's play that. This website, that's the uscis.gov, and of course it's the E, and of course. Yeah, I mean, the first thing is the cuts are still not very clean. That has always been one of the biggest complaints regarding the transcript editor. I mean, in general, it's a nice thing. You can mark some things and then delete some parts, and it will remove the parts also in the video. But the cutting has never been clean. That's the biggest complaint. So sometimes it doesn't delete the whole last word, or it deletes too much, or these things. So it has never been clean, and it looks like also with this smart tool here, cut filler words, it's same thing. Also what I wished is that it would be able to remove repetitions. You have already heard that here, maybe even more. When I try to do one sentence and I got stuck, I have to start again, then I wished there would be an automatic thing which would remove the incomplete sentences. That would help much more, but that's still not here. So these AI smart tools are still quite limited. I would call them some nice early attempts, but nothing which you can really use, nothing which would really save you some time, unfortunately. Yeah, that's the situation as of January 2024. So nothing too crazy here, unfortunately, but we keep an eye on that. Maybe they will come up with a function which is really working later on this year. So if you want to stay updated regarding that, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.